thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are going to do an unboxing and a try-on. So I received, I believe it's my third FASHOM box. So FASHOM is a styling service. So what we're going to do today, we'll go over what FASHOM is, we'll unbox it, and then I will try the items on. And then you guys have to leave me your feedback down below and let me know which items you think I should keep. I'll leave timestamps down below if you guys are interested in like only seeing the try-on portion or whatnot, or want to skip around. Before we get started, I just want to let you all know that my 7K giveaway ends tomorrow. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out. The giveaway is for the new, I was gonna say newest again, the new Carly Bible and Anastasia Beverly Hills, or ABH, their new palette, and some other surprise items as well. So yeah, that's linked down below. All of my other giveaways have ended and I have heard back from all of the winners, so we just have that one to go for now, so good luck. But now let's get into FASHOM. So like I mentioned, FASHOM is a styling subscription. Your very first styling session is free, which is great, and then after that it is $15 per styling. So it's not really a subscription, you request them, so there's no like recurring payments or anything like that. There's some unique features about FASHOM too. I really like it because you actually get to preview some of the items. So once you request your stylist to get a box ready for you, they'll send you like 7 to 10 items and you get to pick 5. So every time you get 5 items sent to you, and it's pretty affordable too, especially compared to all of the other styling services I have used. Like they say their average clothing item is about $35, which is right at my alley. That's a good price for me. So it can be below and above that, but that's their average, $35. And I believe like if you, that $15 you pay, you actually get to apply it to any purchases. I do have a referral link I'm gonna leave down below that will get you $10 towards your style. So you'll get your first one for free, and then you'll get $10 credit to use towards any purchases. So that is super awesome. If you're interested in FASHOM, definitely take advantage of that. So last I checked, FASHOM is available just for women, but they do have a variety of sizes, so regular sizing and plus size, so that is great. And yeah, this is what it looks like this month. So since you do get to pick the 5 items, I have seen them, but I kind of forget what's coming in here. I think there's like a dress or 2. I think there's even some pants. So that'll be interesting. So I'm really excited to see what they picked. When you first sign up, you do fill out like a survey and give them information about stuff you like, don't like, your sizing, your price preferences, all of that. Super simple, but also very helpful. So yeah, I think that's all of the information. If I forget anything, I'll mention it as we go, but let's get unboxing and see what my stylist sent me. Keep looking out my bedroom window because there's a lake behind my house, and earlier today I was just like walking in the kitchen, I looked outside and there was a gator, an alligator outside. So I'm like wondering if it's still out there or what. I went outside briefly earlier. It's a really hot day here. It's like 90 degrees. So yeah, fall hasn't hit. So hopefully the items in here are weather appropriate for Florida, and also hopefully that gator's minding its own business. But yeah, back to FASHOM, sorry. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There's a note on here that says, "Hello, beautiful." Like an envelope actually, so let's get this open. So there is an invoice and then also some information. So I really like their invoices because they include photos, so I think that's a nice touch. And there's a little note on the top. It says, "Hi Kitty, your new FASHOM box has arrived. In this box I've selected some chic and stylish warmer weather fall exclusives that will have you feeling comfortable, trendy, and confident this season. I hope you love these fun styles and know you're going to rock them. I hope to style you again soon, your stylist Morgan." And so yeah, so it lists the 5 items and their pricing. So it looks like most of my items are in the $40 range. I'll let you know as I pull them out. So it looks like, oh now, okay, I did forget to tell you guys something. So another unique thing about FASHOM is you get a discount even if you only keep like 3 or 4 of your items, and all of the other boxes you have to keep everything. So I think if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get like a 20 or 25% off discount. But if you keep all of them, all 5, you get 30% off. So my subtotal is $230. If I keep all 5, it tells me what that'll be. That would take away $69 and bring it down to $161. But yeah, so yeah, 3 or 4 pieces it says on here, it is 25% off. So that's a big discount. Keeping 3 of them, I think that's a huge perk of this. More affordable than like, I'm trying not to say the name, but Stitch Fix. Like, let's give me like, Stitch Fix is more expensive. You only get the discount if you keep all 5, and it's 25%. And yeah, So we'll have to see what my items look like. And then the other little piece of paper says, what's next? It says, try before you buy and purchase your favorites. We encourage you to try on every item your stylist has picked for you. To complete your order, go to the My Style tab on the Fashion app or fashion.com. I use their phone app. It's really convenient. And then it says, not quite a fit. Enjoy free returns or exchanges. So it's free shipping both ways. And then save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. I forgot about this part. So you have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. If you need longer, you can just shoot them an email. I sent them an email last night because I wasn't sure if like yesterday or today was a 30-day mark. I'm like, I really want to post this on my YouTube. And, I don't think I could film tonight. And they're like, oh, no problem. Take as much time as you need. So they will work with you if you can't get that 3-day window in. So yeah, 3 days to decide what items to keep or return unless you email them. And then it says, remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. For each fashion box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. I love that. I say this every time this comes up, but I love when my boxes give back to charities, and I love animals so much, so I think that's great. And here is like a prepaid envelope. So there's a label on here, and this is pretty big too. It's actually huge. So anything I want to return, just put on here, and I think it's USPS. Yeah, just bring it to your, well, if it fits, put it in your mailbox. If not, bring it to your local post office. But yeah, let's get into the clothes. It's wrapped up in some tissue paper. Ooh, so they're all stacked up. The first thing I see looks pretty. I don't know what it is yet, but I like the color. Oh, so it looks like this is a blouse, a lightweight blouse. Awesome. It's like this pretty rust color. Ooh, I think I'll like this. Looks like it's a 3/4 sleeves. And there's like a button. It's like kind of cinched at the end of the sleeve. So we'll try this on, like a V-neck. I love V-necks. So let's see how much this costs. So this is by 22nd. It's their surplice striped top, and this is $43. Awesome. I love the color of this, and I love that it's lightweight, so you can like layer this, or like with me, how it's still pretty warm. I almost said cool. It's like really warm, really hot actually, where I live. This would be a good fall piece. I don't need anything too heavy, so can't wait to try that. Ooh, the next thing looks good. This is like a animal print. I love it. Oh, it looks like this is a sweater. Oh, I like this. It's like an open cardigan. Nice. This is really cute. Let's learn about this. I keep putting that sheet farther away, I don't know why. So this is by Les Amis animal print cardigan, and this is $46. So I'll probably try this on first because I have a tank top on right now. Next up, these are the pants. Oh, and they're like an olive green color. I love it. They seem stretchy too. Oh yeah. These seem great. Look, I don't know if you could tell. I didn't realize they were going to be this color. Definitely unique, and they're stretchy, but they look like they're like fitting too. So can't wait to try these on. So this is by 151. Their original Premier Ponte, or Ponte. How do you say that word? P-O-N-T-E. Let's see. So these are 151 jeans, basic Ponte pants, and these are $55, which I don't think is a bad price for pants. Like, honestly, if these work out, I'm excited to try those on. Next item definitely like sends me like, or gives me Florida vibes. Let's see. Oh, this is super cute. This is by Chris and Carol. This is a dress. It's like a V-neck, but there's like a little tie at the waist. I love that kind of thing. Like that detail is very flattering, I think. Short sleeve. Looks like it'll hit like, part of it cuts off below the knees, and then the back it's a little bit longer. So I'm excited to try this on. This is super cute, and I can wear this now. So yeah, I really like this. Oh, I'm liking everything so far. I mean, of course I have to try it on and see how it works. But the last item, what is this? This definitely is more fall. Okay, so this is another dress. This is by Chris and Carol. Did I tell you guys the price of the other thing? Let me do that first. So the floral dress by Chris and Carol is $45. I don't think that's bad for a dress either. Like those are prices I'm like happy to pay. Like, well, I wouldn't say like happy, but I'm like willing to pay. Like when they say like $85, $100 things, that's when it's like, ugh, even if I love it, I don't know about it. So this is the Chris and Carol. So these are both by Chris and Carol. This is their knit print dress, and this is $41. This definitely has fall vibes. So this is like 3/4 length sleeves. See, it looks like it hits below the knee. I feel like I might need like a belt or something like with this to make it more flattering. So I like more of like an hourglass shape. But yeah, those are all the items. So I'm gonna adjust the camera a little bit and let's get to the try-on portion of the video. All right, so let's start with this like cardigan since I have a tank top on right now. Let's see how this works. This is really comfy and it hits perfectly. You guys see? I love the print. I like this. It hits like below the butt in the back, so you can totally wear this with leggings. Let's see. Can I remember the pricing? So this was $46. I like this. I don't know. It's really soft and comfortable, and I feel like it's lightweight enough for me to get like use out of it here in Florida. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And you guys, these pants fit so well and they're so comfortable. Like you could just like, I don't know why I would ever like kick around like that or something, but just showing you how like stretchy it is, you can like totally move just fine. Like it feels kind of like leggings, but it's not. It's like real pants. I think it hits pretty well. It might like bunch up a little on the bottom, but yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like them. I think these were $55. Yeah, these are $55. So I'm gonna throw on that blouse with these pants and see how that looks. Oh man, you guys, I'm seriously loving everything so far. So I didn't realize before this has a longer back, so you could like leave it like this or kind of tuck it into your pants. Oh god, I already have cat hair on these pants. I don't know how that happened. But I like this. It's like comfortable. So this is like the sleeve. I like how that is. It's like loose fitting, comfortable. I love the color. I don't know if I would wear these together because it's kind of like Christmassy. Sorry, there's a landscaper like right outside. I hope they can't see me right now. But yeah, so I like this. How much was this? I forget. I think this was one of the ones in the 40s. Yeah, so this is $43. So yeah, so far I'm liking everything. But again, leave me your thoughts down below. But I'm gonna try on one of the dresses now. You guys, I'm liking everything. This fits really well, I think, this dress. It's like, I mean, if I was living anywhere else, I probably wouldn't want this like right now unless I was going on vacation, but I live in Florida, so I feel like this is appropriate. So yeah, there's like an inner slip, which is nice. So yeah, like it hits, you know, like around your calves in the front and even further down the back. Can you guys see? I don't know if you can see from there, but like my injury, part of my bruise. I'm like so bruised up from falling in New York, but I won't get into that. But I like this. You guys have to let me know. Do you think this is cute on me or no? Because I can see it going both ways. Like I feel like this would be good for like a brunch or like, you know, like daytime stuff, nighttime too. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna go throw on the other dress. So here's the last dress. I honestly didn't think I would like it, but I kind of do. It has pockets, which is nice. I'm feeling really warm in it. I mean, I do have the lights on me and I'm by the window and stuff. So I don't know like how likely I would be to reach for this like here in Florida, you know. And I don't know if it's like the most flattering, but I love the pockets. It's comfortable. Definitely very fall. I get the fall vibes from it. But yeah, I think this is the only one I didn't like really like. I like how they give you that discount for 3 or 4 items. Like I know at Stitch Fix you have to keep all 5, and sometimes you're like pressured into keeping all 5 because then even if you don't like one because you save more money than like what it costs or whatever. So yeah, I can still get the discount even if I keep 3 or 4. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Again, if you are interested in FASHOM, definitely take advantage of my referral link that will get you your first box free and then $10 credit. And thank you in advance for your input down below on what items I should keep. I really trust your opinion and love hearing what you guys have to say. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.